Alright, what's going on, boys? Today we're gonna make a ethereal x heavenly hood trap type beat, kind of like something that Otis would make. I really like the hood trap and the remixes he's been doing recently, so I'm gonna take a little bit of inspiration from him. I'll play a little snippet of some of his stuff right now. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys the chords, I'm gonna show you guys the bounce, I'm gonna try to show you some tips and tricks in between. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna set our BPM, and for hood trap you always want to keep your BPMs pretty fast, so we're gonna do something around, let's do 191. Let's just get a basic piano to get our chords. Okay, so we're just gonna change our scale here. I want to do B minor, so we're gonna go over here to this drop down, go to view, scale highlighting, and let's go to B right here. So we're in B minor now. So to start our progression here, we're gonna start at B, and we're gonna count 6 notes up. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then get rid of these, and then let's just build a minor 7. To build a minor 7, you just skip 3 notes here, 4 notes, 3 notes, and you have a minor 7. Now let's do a minor 9. Basically, like, the pattern repeats. So this is a minor chord right here, and then you start building a minor chord on top of that. Let's just control B. Let's go back down our root note. Yeah, this is super smooth. 60's root notes. Let's just pitch them down. Maybe go up right here. Kind of want to like play it in right there just so it sounds real. If you guys don't have a MIDI keyboard and you want to use like your laptop keyboard as the MIDI keyboard, all you have to do is go over here to your piano roll and then right click on it and then set it to whatever scale you're in. So we're in B minor, so we're gonna set it to B right here, and now every note you press on your keyboard will be like in key. And then right here, let's just play something in. Yeah, let's just do something like that. Let's just record. Let's just set that to notes. Just take these notes and pitch them down. We're gonna keep it a bit off just to add that like real kind of feel to it. Let's put this velocity down. Hold Alt, scroll it down. I think we're actually gonna keep the sound. I like how smooth that is. Now we need some sort of kind of like pluck. Should nudge that over. We're gonna change this out. We're gonna go into Xenology instead. I'm gonna take these and just nudge these over. Okay, let's get a rough bounce going, and then we're gonna add some more melodies. Let's get a clap and let's get a snare. And then we're just gonna click in our hood trap pattern right here. Something like this. I like adding this one right before and then putting the velocity down. It just adds like a nice bounce. Yeah, we got another one. Okay, now let's add a bass. Let's add a bass. Where can we get a good bass? I guess Xenology. I pretty much only have like 3 plugins. So for all you guys that are tripping about like, yo, I don't have Omnisphere, I don't have this plugin, I don't have that plugin. It doesn't matter what plugins you have or don't have. You can make fire beats with any plugin you have. You know what I mean? It's like a mental thing. Got the yap out the way, man. Let's get a bass. Where's the bass? Where's the bass? Let's just use this one for now. And don't forget to just like mess around with like the note lengths. It really like does add a lot of like sauce to it. Let's just add this little pluck right here. Change that sound. Okay, let's get an 808. We're gonna use our Tim Hortons 808 from my Untitled kit because it's super yamming. We're gonna go over here to the envelope, put the attack all the way down, put this release all the way down, and now whenever you let go of the note, it stops playing. We're just gonna mute our bass just so we can do this 808 real quick, and we're just gonna follow our root notes. So it's E. Control L extended. We're gonna take these, put these velocities down a little bit. Another extra little sauce you guys can do is make sure you have a soft clipper on your master, and then just turn up your 808 really loud, and then for some of the notes just put the velocities down just a little bit, just a little bit, just put them down, and it basically like these will clip super hard, and then these add like they don't clip as hard, so it just adds like a nice little, it's like a feeling to it, you know. We're gonna change our pluck. Yeah, we need a better pluck. This pluck is not it. Let's go back to what has good plucks. Maybe let's try Hive. I think we're gonna change this pattern completely. Let's just mute this other melody we have. Let's get a lead, mono leads. Add a crash and let's get a hi-hat. Also some percs. Yeah, for the hi-hat we're just gonna do something like this right here. Just hit Shift D sharp. A little counter snare right here. Okay, let's clone our chords and let's get one more chord layer. And then we're gonna arrange it. Let's get a pad. Let's just copy our chords right here. Okay, let's add all our melodies to the mixer and then we're gonna EQ that pad. Just go over here, hit Shift Control L, and then our second pad, we're just gonna EQ some of the highs out. Still want a better pluck, man. All right, so now let's arrange this. Let's go over here to pattern, right click, hit split by channel. We're gonna do a little stutter. I'm just editing this video and I just noticed how many times I changed that damn pluck. I changed that pluck like 20 times in this video. I apologize, the video is kind of all over the place, but it is what it is. Anyway, if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that sub. We're gonna be dropping a free 20K kit once we hit 20K. So lock in, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.